In this video, I'm going to show you how to update YouTube. Now, there's two ways to do it. What we can do is go ahead and check if we should be able to update the app. So go ahead and go find your app store. Go ahead and type in YouTube and see if there's an update. So my phone luckily has an update, so you could just go ahead and update to the new version of YouTube, which is going to give you all the new features, improvements, anything that is new with the app you'll get. But if you don't have an app update button here, what you can do is force update the app itself. So go ahead and go out of the App Store, go to your settings, and then go down to General and go down to iPhone storage, and then just go ahead and go find your YouTube app. So what this is going to do is you'll be able to offload your app, get rid of any of the cache and old data with the old app that you have, and it will reinstall the app, meaning you'll get the newest version of YouTube, and it's real simple to do. So I'm not going to do this because I can just update YouTube through the App Store, but this is one way to do it, is to offload the app, it'll reinstall, and you'll have the newest version of YouTube on your phone. So there's two ways to do it. It's really quick, really easy. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.